The Thankful Heart Meditation Track. Relax your head and close your eyes. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Exhale out any stress, tension, or tightness that you may feel anywhere in your body. Focus your attention on your head, face, and neck, and allow all your muscles to become very relaxed. Feel the tension just melting away. Feel the relaxation coming over your entire body. Relax as it flows down your shoulders, releasing them from any stress that may be stored. Feel the relaxation flow down from your shoulders to your entire body. Just feel how relaxed and comfortable you are. It simply feels wonderful. Now imagine that it's a beautiful day outside. The sun's ray is lighting everything. You've just spent an entire fun-filled day by a river. It's the end of the day and it's time for you to take one last ride down the lazy river before you leave. You dip a toe into the river and step down into it, feeling the cool water touch your warm skin. The sunshine makes you feel so good inside. You jump up on your boat and begin your lovely, calming last ride of the day. As the boat takes you lazily down the river, you decide to put your fingers into the water. You allow them to glide back and forth in the water to make circles and swirls around your fingers as you continue floating down this cool, calm river. You smile to yourself because you feel so good and so grateful for this wonderful day. What is around you that you notice? Are there trees, animals, or people you love? You realize how amazing life is, and you feel calm and content, just like this lazy river. You might find yourself especially thankful for this day, knowing that there never will be another day exactly like today. Each day is different, and you feel happy inside because you know that life is an adventure. Some days are fast and really busy. Some days are slower and more relaxed. You remind yourself that you are thankful for it all. You know that each day is special and different, and you are thankful and grateful for each day. Life just keeps getting better and better. Your heart is filled with gratitude for every experience. You rest in the knowledge that every experience helps you grow. Gratitude fills your entire heart up with joy and happiness. Notice how you're coming to the end of the lazy river. You've been enjoying the ride so much that you did not realize how quickly this ride ended. It's time now to gather your thoughts and keep all your gratitude in your heart as you find yourself back in the room again. Once again, say thank you for all the countless blessings that life continues to bring your way. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes and give your body a nice, big, wonderful stretch.